Okay. Yeah, change of order flow is what you're looking for. So yesterday here. So basically what he's asking is like we had an SMT this low, right? How do you know whether to long here or not? Um I would wait for order flow to switch to then look for long. So like look for a gap that's obvious that was been holding price a lot. I think for reliable, he said if we break this gap right here, he'd be bullish. To me, I was honestly just looking for like a shift a little earlier. Like I kind of saw this. Um, where is it? Yeah, right here. When I saw this 1 minute BPR break, and we also had a secondary SMT here. Um, Dude, TJR Bootcamp. I gotta find the clip of him showing daily bias. It literally made no sense. It was like, okay, I'll explain that after. But basically, like an SMT, like you see here, we had this SMT basically at these lows and at previous day low. So then we break this gap, which was a BPR, and I put it in a smart money reversal because we made this a breaker block. And we sort of violate bearish PD race here. But yeah, I mean, basically, like inverting this 15 to me was kind of like bullish, right? Like this candle right here, I felt like if we were bearish at previous day low, this 15 minute should have held. But I think we were also in an hourly. So yeah, it's just, we were in an hourly, so I'd want to go to a lower time frame and then see. So yeah, reliable is kind of right on that. Like this gap right here. Like if we violate this, um, which you can see how it's like a roadblock, but we do. Okay, now we violated this. Now I'm bullish, right? Like this candle right here just violated this fair value gap that sent price to a lower low. And it was paired with a breaker block, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. So you had a breaker block here. Once we violated that, then I was looking for longs, and then we got this banger A setup confirmation, which I took this on my MFFU. I took this. So I entered there. And then I was targeting this 15-minute ITH right here. And then, yeah. Yeah. So that's like what I took. And that went to TP. But yeah, if I had a little runner, I actually would have printed. But it was like late in the day. But yeah, so like that's how you can kind of identify an SMT. Like you basically just wait for a shift in order flow. But yeah. Why are you putting robot, Sana? Is my mic cooked or something? Anyways. Probably. Nah, you're good. Anyways. So 928, we're manipulating above, not 930. So I would expect 930 to distribute. Hi, do you remember me? Don't even start. Okay. Wow. Why did we just do that? Stop. Oh, I had on autoplay. Okay, did you guys just hear what I just said? I said 928 manipulated, so I'd expect 930 to distribute. So we manipulated at 928, so pre-market manipulation. I would be looking to short here. Yeah, I'd be looking to short here because I see that 928 manipulates. I wouldn't mind a short here. Like this 30. So okay. Well, it was invalid, but you look, you could take this. Could take this. I kind of want to take it. Sweep of a high, delivery. Try to send it. Oh, we still have 2 minutes till close though. Okay, never mind. 2 minutes till close, so it's probably just gonna be invalid. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, invalid. Okay, but what I want you guys to take away from that is like when you see pre-market manipulate, you expect 930 to distribute. If you see 930 manipulate, you'd expect like manipulation at 930 and then distribution. So pre-market manipulation equals 930 distribution. Market open manipulation equals like 935, 940 distribution. But yeah. Okay, so I think we go lower. We'll see. This long just failed. I wouldn't have taken this. I'm honestly more bearish here. I like that the LLR below is kind of like good. Hold on. But yeah. Okay, anyways. This one along's a little bit better. What's up? Okay, that's a good reaction. Targets are kind of eh. What do you guys think about this long? I'd wait for this extra 30-second break. I don't really like my targets. They're all right. I mean, we're like going near optimized. This would be like the best spot for long, but that's far. I think this long is decent. We did put an order block. I'll wait for this last 30-second break. Okay. I like that candle. I don't like this trend line. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna see the reaction of the trend line. My stop's gonna be below this order block. I never take 15 seconds, no. So I'm gonna try this and I'm basically just gonna go break even at, okay. Or just get destroyed. I think ES is hitting a trend line. Yeah, it's already hit it. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there. Let me just think about this. I'm gonna give it a little bit of wiggle room. If we like reject the trend line and lifetime, I would cut it. I would have my stop below its order block, and just like kind of play it out. I just want to see on like the 5-second. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there, and now I'm gonna just hold this. Okay, break even trade for me. So I think, yeah, it would have been break even regardless if you took it here or not. Was that one R? No, okay, whatever. Do you ever take 15 second? Yeah, 30 seconds is the lowest I go. So that break even does save me, cool. Chop fest, wow. I might take this 3-minute short. I kind of like this short. SMT this high, like SMT here. What do you guys think about this short? I feel like we go lower first. I feel like if we were gonna go higher, we would have just went. This is not a bad PA. I think we just accumulated, manipulated, got an SMT this high, and now we're about to distribute lower. I'll try it. Break even at this low. Break even there. Okay, there's TP. Cool. Yeah, that was a good. I like that. What do you mean the RR though? It's 1-to-1. I mean, to the low, that's negative, but like I'm not scaling there. I'm gonna hold this. I think we go for, like, I was like leaning bearish originally, because I kind of like the sell side draws better than the buy side draws. Okay, I would have TP'd more there, but it didn't fill me. Okay, there. I'll TP more there. 50 off there. I think I'll be all out at this low. Not be greedy. I'll trail stop to this order block and all out there. Cool. Wow, look at that take profit too, man. Damn, sniper. Okay, let me chill. Anyways, half wrist. Not gonna lie, I like this. I mean, maybe half wrist because of conditions. That's kind of what I did yesterday because I don't like conditions. Maybe I would have just half wrist this, but whatever. I felt like bearish just made sense here. Yeah, but I felt like this manipulation was clean enough. And I like the SMT here. So this kind of looks like AMD. And we had low resistant lows. Whatever. Anyways. Banger right there. Anyways. Okay, we're in a really, really nice spot for longs. So I'd definitely be looking for longs. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I'd be looking for longs here. Y'all agree with that? I think that makes sense. 50%, 4-hour range, looking 4-hour low. That makes sense. Yeah, so looking for longs. Probably we kind of like LLR to the downside. So I probably want to maybe a rerun of this. I think we actually have an SMT. Oh wait, no, never mind. No, we don't. Okay, I'll just play price here. Bert, what's your long/shorts ratio? Probably like 70% longs. As of now, I used to be a short demon back in the day. I used to short everything. Like when price was like when we had that, I think it was like April or something. Or maybe not April. I think it was like March, February. We were like really, really bearish or something. And I was just like shorting. Okay, we're rejecting this trend line. I actually might look for a short for this sell side. I feel like I'm more bearish actually. Like if we run this high before running the lows, I'd look for a short. Probably. Yeah. No. Okay, whatever. Market open, or not even market open, 9:14. Starts to run the liquidity, which sucks. Okay, we leave the rest of it. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we go down anymore. We do go neutral here. Or on top. Yeah, kind of. Kind of had it. I think here, so I'd be neutral here, right? Because we hit a high inside of a gap. Order flow goes neutral. This is really, really bullish though, so I'd probably look for like this low to get swept, tap this 1 minute gap, then get along. Okay, wow, we're just gunning up. It's a trend day. This is already giving trend day vibes because we're just violating and not pulling back. So a long, basically like anywhere is fine. I mean, I hate long it up here, but maybe we'll see. That was some T this low, so I wouldn't be looking long here. Okay. No sweep, so still no long. Oh, hold on. Go back. I like this. I like this because I know we left an unfold hourly. Yeah, we did. So unfold hourly here. Unfilled, we're going to put unfold hourly there. We swept this high here. This looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or to rebalance and send price higher. So and because we left these lows with no SMT, I'd actually be looking to short. So I'll take this 5 minute short. Yep. This 5 minute short's nice. If we get it. Okay, we just don't get it. See, we're forming a bunch of like sell side draws. 1 minute short here. Bunch of LRLR. But entering lunch now, so now it's like getting freaky. This might work. No, it fails. Okay. I don't even trade lunch. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna skip the PM. It depends, Gibby. If we still have draws intact, I stay on until like I see, unless we start chopping. We just let the bump be okay. I'm gonna look for a short once we take out this high. Yeah, once we take out this high, I'm gonna look short. There's so much sell side draw. I'll take this 1 minute. This is definitely like a 3 minute, yeah. 10 hard, 15 second. Okay, so no clean setup. Actually, I look at take this 15 minute. Do I just take this 15 minute and send it? I don't even hate it. Let's see if we hold it. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna try this half size and just go for like 1R to the lows, which is that unfilled hourly. Maybe this is stupid, but I don't mind it. We'll see. We take out the daily high. Yeah, I don't mind it. Break even, I'd probably like. Technically, it's like this next low right here. I'll see though. Would I be break even there? Let me give it a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, I'm cooked. I'd probably just cut it there. That's not the reaction you want to see. I'll cut it for a small loss. That's fine. We should have ran there. Also, this price action looks horrible in the 1 minute time frame. Let's see. That saves me. Yeah, I would have got hard stop right there. Cool. Take a little $70 loss. Vert, see, that's what I'm talking about. Are you break even there? What makes it a new internal? No, what makes it a new internal? Well, it's subjective. Like, you can go break even every internal low that gets made or internal high. Like, there, I was like, because it's a 50-minute short, I just gave it some wiggle room to see if I just got wicked out. But, and I was also half risk. But yeah, usually like on lower time frames, it's a lot more prominent to go break even at like the new internal high, internal low. But I usually just stick to the model and just go break even there. I look for longs, 50% of this 4-hour range. Yeah, 50% lines out with this 4-hour gap, which is nice. And we have LRLR up here. And we have LRLR to the downside. A run lower first would make sense to me. Yeah. Unless we just get this 1 minute long, let's just cook. I'm not taking this. Okay, what didn't break even? Most shades, you're looking for internal to external. Yes and no. I feel like more like external to internal, actually. Okay, we swept at that low. If we get a bullish reaction here, which we are, I might just slap this. Okay, I gotta slap this, right? Like, yeah, we missed 50. Do I marry 50 here, though? Probably not. because we have LRLR to the upside. We also have an SMT. So I think I just slap this. I think we just go up here. I break even as a high instead of is a high that's like another high in a gap. It is SMR though. I'll try it. I'm gonna try it half size because I don't like. I'll add in if we break. Did we break this? No. I'll add in if we break this gap. I don't like my break even target, but I like the SMR and I like the reaction off the 4 hour. So I'll at least. Okay, can I get in? Bro, what? Okay. I see you, man. And break even trade. Okay. So break even trade. Because we hit the break even and wick back down. Holy shit, can I? Alright. Break even, cool. Yeah, I felt like that would happen. SMT to low now. I wouldn't take this long. I don't like my break even. Yeah, that long just failed. Okay, maybe we go for 50 now. Okay, never mind. Forget 50. Forget 50. That is way too ultra reaction. I would take the 2 and 3. Okay. I'll take this. Take this 3 minute, go break even at this high. Target the lower. Stop's kind of huge on this. Oh. Interesting. We're entering liquidity. That's honestly such a valid loss. I mean, I guess it was invalid on the 2, but like, there's no way you don't take that. And we just go back up. Okay, that's just bad price action, bad delivery. See, like, this is just bad delivery. Yeah. So, like, we're closing above a fair value gap, closing below a fair value gap, then closing back above. And then we're not going to the low. And we, like, if we break this, we should go to the low. But we don't. Then we go back up. We break this, we go to the high, but then we reject. I don't know. Bad delivery, but we still hit the target, so unfortunate. These are the losses you should be taking, like bad delivery losses. Or it's just like you just get unlucky. Like I'm completely fine with that. That was a good trade of me. Okay, I'm gonna look for like super this low. Get along. And it lines up with 50, cool. I mean, that'd be the dream scenario, but I don't know if we do that. Maybe, honestly, just to super this low would not be horrible. We have a lot of trending highs up here. $10 to 11 days is not long. I don't know where you got that from. Oh, okay. Hold on. 1 minute long. 2 minute long, actually, but I'd probably just take the 1. It held. Oh, on eval? Are you on eval? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, no, on eval. No, is this your first eval you've ever had? Okay, if it's your first one, then you pass it normally. You don't do 3-day passing. I'm not taking this, by the way. There's no point. Yeah, break even. Yeah. So if you're risking, I'd on an eval first time, I'd probably be risking. What is it? Apex. Top step. How much are you risking right now? Hmm. 250, 300. Wow. Okay. Um, you could risk 400. Cause what is that? 5 losses. Yeah. You could risk 400. Do 1 loss a day. But I mean, if your thing's working, like if 250 to 300 is fine, like then just stick to that. Cause like 10 to 11 days on an eval, if it's your first one, it's fine. If it's not your first one, like I risk like 1,000 on an eval. But that's because like I've passed evals before, so I don't really care about them. I was gonna take this 5-minute SMR. I was gonna take this, but it was invalid. Okay, so we're not gonna go for that low down here. So I'm probably just gonna be looking for longs up here. Or not. Wow, just like no pullbacks. Okay. Hit the last cap in the leg after taking out all this buy side, and we're gonna put in an unfilled 15-minute. I might short. Okay, I might short something here. I'm gonna try this. If we break this with momentum. Yeah, I'm in that. First eval took me, what was it? A year? Yeah. Took 2 months of learning the IFG to pass my first eval. Oh. But I was doing 2022 model before. Actually, I really like this short. Like, this should have worked at this. Because we respected this last gap in the leg, took out all the buy side, and we need a rebalance, and we have bearish system T. So we need a rebalance. Good momentum in the close. Yeah, I mean, this should hit the unfilled 15. Okay, so, wow, break even, really? Is that the, wait, no. Okay, break even there. There's the unfilled 15. Okay, let's just hold, I guess. Wow, and break even. Damn. Alright. Become profitable. Like relatively consistent. Not that long ago. Like, honestly, like August. August was like really. What's the word? Like I was like locked on my rules and all that. But I still struggle. Like I'm human. Like I still look up to like Reliable because he's like to me reliable. The way he trades is like how I want to trade. Like he just does not care. Like he's just so nonchalant about it. August was iffy, but like it was the consistency and like not no. I was green August. Like fine. Yeah, I'm not like insane at trading, but well, I'm decent. But I'm not in my prime. The biggest thing is just like taking setups that are good. I'm really good at avoiding losses. But I'm struggling with like just executing wins sometimes. Right. These have to be self-accountable. Unfilled 5-minute here. I actually would try some long here. Because we're in a 4-hour fair value gap. We hit 50%. We swept out the 4-hour low. This kind of looks sell model-y, but even on a sell model spectrum, you can look for like pullbacks to rebalance. Yeah, like I'd be looking for a long here. Do this unfilled 5-minute, which we left here. It's unbalanced gap, so maybe a resweep of the low. Could we get a resweep of the low? This 1-minute long is kind of iffy. I don't really love it. Okay, it would have been okay. That actually would have been a break even. Yeah, because you go break even with that 5 right there. News outlook. Yeah, I got you. How did I do this week? My bad. I was green. I was basically on the same spectrum as reliable, which is really, I like that. Friday was really easy. I wish I didn't take that half size, but now we were chopping before. Monday through Wednesday was absolutely horrible. I took 0 setups, I think, yeah. Thursday I took 4 break evens. And then Friday I took 2 wins. I traded, but I didn't find anything. It was horrible. Bro, I took 4 break evens. I took 3 break evens on NQ and 1 break even on gold. I just called it, bro. I was tired. I mean, it was horrible. Wow, this is... I hate all-time highs, man. Okay, so we're like just gunning up here. I'd probably look for continuation longs to buy side. I mean, that makes sense. I wouldn't expect 50. I would just expect a tap into a 50-minute. Then a long. I'd really like this resweep of this low. Okay, resweep there. So now you have the liquidity sweep. Like if we got this 1-minute / 30-second, I'd try this. We got the 1-minute, but the 1-minute's not even obvious there. The 30 seconds way more obvious. Okay, that's fine. Ooh. This is not horrible. I don't mind this. This should work, right? Did ES, okay, this is like that same example. Did ES hit its 50? It did, right? So ES hit its 50, getting a bullish reaction. But an NQ, oh, NQ did it. Okay, I'm long this. I would long this. Do you know any firms usually do a good sale for Black Friday? I mean, Apex. I know Apex is like 24/7 sales, but wow, this RR is horrible. I'll just hold her for 1 hour and just send it. Break even at the high. This should work. I'd be surprised if this loses. Oh, it's a break even trade. We got saved by a wick. Holy shit. Okay, so wow, we get edge on the stop. My stop should be below slow, by the way, but price retakes the internal high right there. So you would want break even. Like, okay, maybe in live time, like you hold it, but like if I start to see this wick come down, I'm just gonna cut it for like a small loss. But mechanically, that's a break even, so we'll just close it. ES long on Thursday. I don't even remember that. Then it works. Why does that work? That's so weird. This is horrible delivery. Like, can we just go? Anyways. I could look to short here. Maybe. My sell side draws are kind of shit. Actually, they're not horrible. These lows are not bad. I'll probably take like a 5-minute here. Yeah, like if we death candle these 5s, I'll try this. Okay. It's basically a 15-minute. I'll try this. I like it. Momentum's alright. I'll try it half size. I don't like it. It's not a full size play. Momentum's kind of iffy. I feel like we could go back to this low. Break even. Kind of stug it out. I might need to stop the shorts, guys. Wow. Guys, I need to stop shorting. What am I doing? Don't short, guys. I mean, like, I know myself in live time. I usually don't take trades like this, but it's, like, decent enough. I feel like you can try it. Anyways. I could look for one more. I'll go next. That long. Oh, Thursday's long? No, there was nothing. There was not even a valid long. On ES there was, not on NQ. NQ there's no singular gap. Like, if we're talking about the model straight up, like, there was literally nothing, in my opinion. Yeah, like, I would have taken the 5-minute, but, like, it was invalid and it was, like, completely cooked. Okay, I need this low swept, like, now. Brother. Are you serious? Also, we have a new week right here. Like, yeah, I should go for this. We're gonna go back down. There's no way. Are you serious, bro? Why would we miss this 4-hour low? We broke this hourly too. That's kind of weird. I mean, I could short to it. Yeah. Gold's been all right. I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Is that invalid? No. No, it's not. I'm taking this short. Is that invalid? I don't think so. No. No. I tried gold some, like, not really. We just need, like, NQ to, guys, I'm shorting again. I'm sorry. I feel like this is sell Marley, though. Like, I feel like we should go lower. That's what my gut's telling me. Like, NQ, ES has this new week, and we just missed it. Or break even there. It's gonna be break even. Okay, whatever. Break even trade. Damn. Can I get a setup? I'm looking to short here. Oh, is there 30-second? Oh, would have been break even though. I might just take the 5. Nah, whatever. Okay. Maybe we got to resweep the high. Do we hold a gap there? No. This 3-minute looks fire, but like, no delivery. Yeah, damn. Asia gold is like good. That's all I know. I know like a trader that trades it, but it's not like, he doesn't trade IFVGs. He trades ICT in a different way. He trades like only reversals or something. Okay, I'll short this. Probably like a 5 or something. Yeah, I'll take this 5-minute. Never mind, dude. Jeez. God. Close kind of sucks. Let me tap the 5. No, I'm not shorting that. I don't know Asia. I don't know anything about Asia. Dude, this sucks. Okay, next time. I want to get like one more win at least. Not doing that good this time. Along from here, this would be an hourly gap, sweeping on these lows. If we hold this hourly, okay. Bert, do you do anything for Halloween? No. Hit the gym. Hit a mean Chester. It was so empty. I was so happy. I could use every machine I wanted. Physique check. I could send a picture. Yeah, well, 1 second. What is this? What are these candles, man? Is this Asia? Bro, gotta mark it open. Oh my god, why is this shit so broken? Alright, here's market open. No, it's not, I lied. This is, what is this? Why does price look like this? I'm going next data. Something's wrong with this data. This data feed's weird. I guess I'm bullish until proven wrong, so I don't backtest for myself, I backtest for you guys. Yeah, I don't really like care, but like, why am I at 230? New York session. What is happening? Okay, jeez. Alright, we're bullish. I'm looking for long. See about this low. Get a long. Cool. What the hell? Actually, I don't even need that. I'd probably just need like 50% of this range. What's my weekly goal? Execute, man. Take what I like. Don't hesitate. Did I post on what? Twitter? What is TT? Is that Twitter? TikTok? Yeah, I post on TikTok, IG, YouTube. That's it. I'm gonna show you. It's my YouTube. Bro, my TikTok does nothing, I don't think. It does alright, but like... I mean, it's like really dead, to be honest. My Instagram's in the best right now. Instagram and YouTube. In terms of views, I guess, I don't know. Like, this isn't horrible. But Chris is like I don't really try right now. I'm more focused on trading right now. Like, I don't really care about social media that much right now. I want to get more consistent. I don't want to be like, you know what I mean, fraudulent. It's the same content. It's just reposted, Connor. Oh my god, this is pissing me off. Okay, let me lock in. I want to sweep with this low. Top and bottoms. Take sound guy. What are you talking about? Ooh. Maybe along from here. Okay. Wait. Oh, I'll take something here, probably. It's 3 minute. It's 2 minute close. We're in a 5 minute, bro. Oh my god. Never mind. Listen to some 505 and get one more play. Holy sh. Top taking is the method. And then, yeah, faking it. But what is this? I guess I should take a little 1 minute, but like, nah, you're not 5 minutes. You don't take that. Oh. Oh, I'm an idiot, guys. Why don't y'all tell me? Okay, I'm so stupid. This is the play. I didn't even see this. Okay, this is the play. Alright? Yeah. We're not on a 15. We're on a 10. Okay, this is the play. You take this. I like completely forgot to see this. Boom, boom. And you just go break in with the next 5. That's so easy. Even if you wait for the next candle. Okay. You just hindsight warrior? No, literally. Bro, I'm tired of backtesting right now. But this is like actually a valid play. That's good. I was like, I forgot we're in a 5 minute, and I thought the 5 minute was not gonna close. But you can just go break even here, break even there, run these to these highs, to these relative equal highs. First take profit this high. Oh my god, bang. Final TP, bang. Alright, I'm out. Yeah, we'll end it there. Look at analytics. Well, there's like only 6 people in here. It's like dead. Salmon. Talk to the camera. I'm gonna do all of that. Oh my god, 80% win rate. Let's go. Let's go. I do these because like it's not like most people doing IRL with Dodge and Reliable. Reliable lives in Michigan. Vert the goat for real. Wait. Who is this? Oh, it's yours. What am I looking at? Is this your backtesting, X? Reliable's in Michigan. I would meet Reliable. What I want to do, I want to see if I can get like a Dodgy interview. Once I have like, I don't know, like 80K in payouts. 100K. Get interviewed by a Dodgy. So Vert, how did you find the IPG? I was just looking around. Is 75% win rate? Guys, what you need to become profitable with a 1-to-1 R is a, 51% win rate, technically? That's actually such a lie. I mean, even if you have a 60% win rate with a 1-to-1, you're still profitable. Right? That makes sense. But like with IFPG, you should have at least like 65, 70%. I probably average like 65 to 75, which is kind of a big jump. It depends on the month. April, 90% win rate. August, probably like 60 68. September probably like 62. October was weird. October was like so many no trade days, so I couldn't even tell you. Genuinely, it was like that one good week, and then like this week I had 100% win rate. Last week I had 1 win, 1 loss, and then no, I had 2 wins, 1 loss last week. I don't remember. No, the first week was horrible. Second week was good. Third week, which was last week, I think, right, was all right. And then this week was like horrible. Like, it was horrible in terms of no setups, but if you just don't force a setup, you're green. That's what I'm saying. You just gotta wait. Oh, you just started trading? Okay. That's what you heard, yeah. Alright, let me post some announcements. I'll send my physique if y'all want. At everyone, class, stats for May 2025. I haven't even taken a physique pic in like over a year. It's just like it's probably like 7 months old or something. Oh, News Outlook? Yeah, I got you. Alright, here's the physique, guys. That was after a chest day. What do I have to do to lose 20 pounds? Caloric deficit. Caloric deficit plus... That's like it, basically. That is me, Tanya. Anyways. Tanya, you're making me blush. What am I doing? News Outlook. Tanya, I'm 20. I'm 20 with a gym and food. It's actually just, it's not really that hard. Just like do it. You know what I'm saying? Only 4 wins in May? I'm not even done with May, so no. I still have 2 more weeks to go in May. Cash. But a bunch of no trade days. What's on it? It's like, it's easier. I mean, obviously, like, I'm young, so it's a lot easier, but you don't need a lot. Like, to lose weight, it's about calories, right? You want your body to burn more than you consume. Yeah. So, like, if you can track your calories, which I know is kind of difficult, there's, like, apps and stuff. And then just, like, 20-minute cardio a day. Like, I do incline walk. Or you can just walk around your neighborhood. Yeah. Okay. I don't even know what the daylight saving time thing is. Like, I don't know how that... Well, I know what it is, but I don't know how it affects... If I have to change anything. Dude, I'm weak now. That picture, like, I still, like, look relatively like that. That was on my bulk. That's when I was 190. I'm, like, 163 right now. I did, like, a cut. Are you only taking trades 9:30 doing this back test? Yeah, basically. I'm 6 foot. Okay, anyways. So Monday we got 10 a.m. news. Cap. You can measure me, bro. I'm small right now. I'm like 163, 6 foot. Like, I'm low-key skinny. I might just bulk again. I wanted abs. I was like obsessed with abs, but like I still don't even have them. So I might just be cooked. I don't know. The difference in PMIs. If you ask me what these news things even mean, I could not tell you, bro. I don't really care. I just know that they affect the market with big candles, bro. Like, I know like what CPI is inflation rate, right, or something. Just look on Google, bro. If it's red folder news, it's probably gonna affect the market. Monday's a good trade day. We're supposed to have NFP, and I know we have CPI the following week, but it's all tentative, so. Bro, we need this government shutdown to like fuck off, genuinely. It's so annoying. Any tricks to pass quick evals while stacking accounts other than Apex? You can news pass some prop firms. Any prop firms without consistency rule and news rule, you can probably pass in one trade. If not, you copy trade 5 at a time, 5 evals, and then you just risk like 1,500 a trade or 1,000 a trade and just try to pass it with A+ setups only. Isn't it supposed to be the shutdown? Gibby, no one knows. We can search it up. I know I've already searched it up a bunch. Let's see. Okay, we're cooked. Yeah, I did see that. Okay, Monday, normal trading day. Tuesday. Why is Jolt's job openings tentative? That's so odd. Okay, we have red folder news this week, which is really nice. Well, kind of. At least for Monday. So Monday, good. Tuesday, fine, I guess. Wednesday, we have red folder news, 100%. Okay, I would be careful of Thursday. I don't like Thursday. If we do have NFP this Friday, Thursday has a bunch of speakers. 11 a.m., 12 p.m. This might make price iffy. But yeah, anyways, we should be good. Our earnings released on info on Forex Factory? No, you need to go to Earnings Whisper. Earnings Whisper. I actually don't even know. I get so Amy, which is Oksana's wife, sends the things. So does that mean you should be holding a trade into 10 on Monday? Wait, what do you mean? Shouldn't? Don't hold trades into news. I mean, that's self-explanatory. Earnings Whisperer. I don't even know how to use this. I just, like, Amy just sends them. I think it's calendar. Man, I don't know. Amy will send it, and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I don't even understand this, Tana. This is actually confusing. Whatever. Alright, reliable. I like staying in that stream because then, like, I feel like if I wasn't in a